And as he spoke in Chamorro to my older brother, a year older than me, he didn't understand a word he was saying because we had already shifted to English being the language in our home being spoken. So my dad, when my brother couldn't understand him, my dad started yelling at him. And I'm on the corner of the wall saying, Dad wants you to go get the uniforms off the clothesline. In the meantime, my mom comes in and there was this major argument, and it still sticks with me right now, that Dad says, we'll speak tomorrow. My mom says, no, if he doesn't understand tomorrow, then for God's sakes, speak English. And those words stuck into my head. So anyway, fast forward, I am still struggling with speaking my language fluently, the Chamorro language fluently. And I'm always reflecting back to that. And it's a very painful, emotional thing for me to feel like I failed myself, number one, and then to feel kind of a resentment to how was it that my own family cheated me of the opportunity to love and speak the language that I am so desiring to